Show him how to roll over. Show him how. Almost. Almost. Show him how you do it. Almost. Oh, you're still hanging on to the giraffe. You gotta let go. Let go of the giraffe, then do it. Let go. Let go. Now roll over. Can't hang on to the giraffe and do it too. Yay! Good job, buddy! Yay! Yay! Look at my big boy! Yes, good job. Oh, you're so tired now. Good job. Grandma's gonna be so excited to see this one. Yay.